So first, I'm just laying out all the ingredients before we start cooking. I always like to get everything ready first. It just makes cooking easier. These are all simple ingredients, but they bring so much flavor.
I'm washing the chicken really well with clean water before moving on. I'm just patting it dry now, removing the extra water so the marination works better. I'm removing the extra fat and making a few cuts so the spices go right inside. I'm grinding fresh spices here. They always bring out a better flavor.
I'm mixing everything together now. This is what gives the chicken that rich taste.
I'm starting with a light marination using salt, turmeric, and lemon.
I'm massaging it gently so the meat starts to soften. After the first marination, I'm adding garlic and ginger paste. It gives a nice aroma and also helps with digestion. Now I'm adding chili powder and oil and coating the chicken really well so it turns out juicy and full of flavor. Since the chicken is already well marinated, I'm making deep cuts now so all those spices can really go inside the meat.
Now I'll let the chicken rest for a while so all the spices can soak in really well.
I'm setting up a natural wood fire now, keeping it slow so it's perfect for roasting.
I'm keeping the flame low and steady because slow heat keeps the chicken juicy.
Now I'm placing the chicken on the skewer and securing it well so it roasts evenly on all sides. I'm roasting the chicken slowly and turning it gently. There's no rushing this step. I'm rotating the chicken slowly and brushing it with oil, and this slow roasting is what keeps it juicy.
I'm adjusting the height a bit just to make sure the chicken doesn't burn.
I'm checking the color and piercing it a little. Clear juices mean the chicken is perfectly cooked. I'm letting the chicken rest for a few minutes now, and this helps keep all the juices inside. You can see the steam here. The meat is soft, juicy, and perfectly roasted. I'm serving it simply on a leaf, just like we do in village-style cooking. That smoky aroma you see here comes from the natural fire. It gives the chicken such a unique flavor. Look at this. The final dish looks so rich and really appetizing.
Thank you for watching. Follow for more village recipes.